Replacing a duplex receptacle in a metal junction box powered by BX cables. Turn off the power. Make sure the power is turned off. Unscrew the receptacle from the junction box. Evaluate existing wiring and junction box. Check that the BX cable clamp is properly tightened to ensure proper grounding. Tighten the cable clamp screw if it is loose to ensure proper ground path continuity. Is there a connection, ground wire, between the metal junction box and the receptacle? If not installed, install a ground wire of the same diameter as the existing wires in the junction box between the receptacle and the junction box. 2020 NEC, National Electrical Code, Article 250.148b, states that the removal of an electrical device from the junction box shall not interrupt the electrical continuity of the equipment grounding conductor. Is the gap between the front edge of the junction box and the wall surface greater than 1/4 inch? If it is greater than 1/4 inch, the junction box extension must be installed in accordance with Article 314.20 NEC 2020, which states that the edge of a junction box shall not be set back from the finished surface by more than 1/4 inch. Wires connected to the old receptacle. Ground wire, bare pigtail wire, to the ground terminal. Neutral, white wires to the neutral terminal. Hot, black wires to the hot terminal. The wires to the old receptacle were connected to the push-in terminals of the receptacle. This type of wiring causes a poor connection, which can cause the receptacle to overheat and burn out at high current consumption. So this type of connection is not recommended. Good connection of the wires to the receptacle is ensured by the side screw terminals of the receptacle. Disconnect the old receptacle from the wiring. Strip the ends of the wires about 1/2 inch, if they aren't, and make a loop at the ends. Duplex receptacle connection terminals. Ground terminal, green screw. Neutral terminal, silver screws. Hot terminal, black screws. Connect the receptacle as follows. Ground, bare, wire from the junction box to the ground terminal, green screw. Neutral, white, wires from the junction box to the neutral terminal, silver screws. Hot, black, wires from the junction box to the hot terminal, gold screws. Secure the receptacle to the junction box and level it. Restore power. Test the receptacle for proper operation. Install the receptacle wall plate.